Okay guys, this is going to have to be a quick one today, quick overview, because we have exactly 1 hour until LD Systems come and take the Maui 44 away from us. So let's begin. This thing is loud, I mean seriously loud. If you look at the power ratings, it's 3200 watts peak, that's 1600 watts RMS. That's 800 watts RMS to the subwoofer and 4 times 200 watts RMS to the array itself. To put that into perspective, looking back at the old Maui 28, that was only 200 watts RMS to the sub and 200 watts RMS to the vertical array. So we'll talk about the form factor very quickly. It's heavy. I mean, it is heavy. This bass bin is insanely heavy. However, to get this kind of power, that's 1600 watts RMS. To get that kind of power in a venue, you're talking about a much heavier piece of equipment. If you were lugging around a PA system that could put out the kind of power that this one does, you'd be carrying more. The woofer's two 12-inch drivers sort of account for the 40.8 kilograms that it weighs, so that's hardly surprising. Fitting the array to the actual sub itself is not a delicate procedure. Your natural inclination is to be careful of the little metal struts, ensure you don't twist or jar anything. It's not the case. It's a solid unit. Really like the way it fits together. It's got these great little indicators so I can see exactly what goes into where. Very, very handy. The vertical array, which is the interesting part, has got 16 3.5-inch drivers and 2 additional 1-inch Celestion high-frequency drivers. Each of the 16 3.5-inch drivers are angled slightly at 7 degrees, which gives you that wide spread. So not a lot to talk about on the back of the unit, but then again I suppose it doesn't need very much. You've just got your sub level, the main level of the actual array, a phono input for your backing tracks or what have you, a right input and a left input, and your passive right and left output should you wish to bounce these to other active speakers. You've also got a power con, power speak-on if you will, which is fantastic. There isn't enough of this happening. You're usually stuck with a horrible kettle lead, at least with the power con you're assured that once it's in, no one's going to trip over it and spoil the gig. So yeah, more of that please. We're going to have to dash because LD will be here any moment to come and pick up the 44. So the only way to experience this is in real life. So come and check it out here in the Leeds showroom or give us a shout at www.proaudiocentre.com. Thanks for watching.